Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Jordan from Force 18, and this is a bonus episode. And yeah, so I got a Flat Ranger letter back from White Sands National Park in New Mexico. So I'm gonna open that here. So yeah, this might be a bit boring, but it's the national parks, and yeah, so it's a. Okay, here we go. Okay. So we got a letter. Here it is. A brochure for the gypsum fields. Geology. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. 2020 programs. It's outdated, but that's okay. It still looks pretty cool, and yeah, so that's a pretty cool view, and that will probably go in my national park, my Flat Ranger binder. Here is a Junior Ranger booklet that came with it. They have pictures of my ranger at the park. So I will show you those in a minute. We also got the park brochure, White Sands National Park. I also have White Sands featured birds, the featured birds of White Sands brochure. That's pretty cool. And a hiking at White Sands kind of like information sheet. I think that's pretty cool. So there's that. Looks like we have common tracks and scat found at White Sands National Park. So I'll be looking at these brochures later. And one last thing, which is just Lake Lucero, I'm guessing it's called Lake Lucero, which I'm guessing goes into like a more depth of how the white sands were made, white sand dunes were created. So I'm just gonna show you guys real quick the pictures. So here they are on a backcountry trail. There's our Ranger Elizabeth on a backcountry trail with the Ranger. And here is another one of the Ranger picking up white sand and putting it back on the ground with the Flat Ranger Elizabeth there as well. So they have. Hello, Jordan. Thank you for including White Sands National Park in your virtual travels, and here are the answers to your questions. So I had about 13 questions apparently, and on the back it has, thank you for asking cool questions. Let us know if you'd like any additional information or materials. Sincerely, Ranger Brenda Rodriguez, Park Guide, White Sands National Park. So that will be going in my binder. So thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed the bonus video for this week. And the regular video is scheduled to come out next Wednesday. See you guys till then.